If you deposit 5,000 into an account paying 6% annual interest, compounded monthly, how long until there is 8,000 in the account? So, binigay sa yung future, binigay sa yung present, binigay sa interest rate. Ang hinahanap is si M. N. So, F is equal to P 1 plus I N over M, M, N. Ang hinahanap sa is M. Paano yan? Sir, mayroon ba madaling paraan para masalita? Yes, there is. So, S divided by P is equal to 1 plus I N M tapos M N. Hanapin mo na lang to. So, Ln natin both sides. Diretsuin na natin. So, Ln na to. Bababa itong dalawa. So, baliktarin ko na. Mn loan of 1 plus I over M equal to loan of F over P. Para diretso na. Hinahanap lang yung year. So, Mn. Hinahanap natin si N, diba? O, pwede na dito. So, this will become, iwan na lang natin si N. Tapos, equal to Ln of F over P divide by M Ln ng 1 plus I N over M. Diretso na para makuha mo si M. Okay. Calculate the value. So, loan ng F and P. N, loan of F, that is, future amount is 8,000 and 5,000 is the present. Divide by M, compounded monthly pa rin. So, 12, loan of 1 plus interest rate is 0.06. Divide by 12. Ayan. So, N, how many years aabot ka ng 8,000? So, Ln ng 8,000 sa 5,000. 8 and 5 na lang. Divide by 12, loan of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12. So the answer is 7.85 years. 7.823. 852. 853 pala. Years. Ganun lang kadali lang.